Today we went to the waterfalls in the central of Lombok. There are two waterfalls around here because it's close to Rinjani mountain basically. One of the first stop if you would like to hike to Rinjani. My friend took us here, and the first stop was Benang Kelambu Waterfall. It's a waterfall located on the island of Lombok, Indonesia. This waterfall is famous for amazing natural beauty. The name of Benang Kelambu comes from the Sasak language, which is the native language of Sasak tribe in Lombok, and refers to yarn or nets as used to make traditional weaving in the area. This waterfall consists of two levels, namely Benang Kelambu Waterfalls and Benang Kelambu Waterfalls. The first waterfalls from the height into a beautiful small lake below, creating a stunning view. So now I'm at the Benang Kelambu Waterfalls. Huge one though. So nice. From there, down there, down there. Go all the way there. And there's a swimming pond over there. That's really nice. Here we can do some trekking, can do some swimming, or just enjoying the calm natural atmosphere around this waterfall. And also, yes, the water is a bit cold, for sure. We were there on Sunday, that's why there are a lot of people here. But still, we can get like some nice spot or a place to take some picture and video and selfie, that's for sure. The entrance fee was 30,000 for each person. It doesn't matter that you're local or foreigner, all the prices are the same. This waterfall located in Aikberik village, Batu Kliang Utara district, Central Lombok Regency, approximately around 30 kilometers from the city of Mataram to the east. Some people believe that this waterfall have prosperities. Then the opportunity to see it up close is certainly not wasted. I was here with two friends of mine, but none of them would like to join me to play with water. So I exploring myself and have great time exploring up and down, showering under the waters. It was cold, but it was refreshing, and it was awesome. it was my first time exploring the waterfall in Lombok, even though that I've been here for 3 times before. No, I mean couple times before.